Hello friends, today we are going to see how WhatsApp status copy or download. If you feel this video is useful for you, then please subscribe our channel Technologies by Raj. Let's see how WhatsApp video status are copy without any application. Now we need to open WhatsApp. Now look, here is our friend's statuses. Choose one of them and play.
दिल के इस घर में आके एक लड़की चुप के ताके एक लड़की अरे 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 अरे
Now open MX Player application and open setting from here. Now see friends, here are many options like list, player, decoder. Select list and open it and scroll down. Now see here recognize no media and show hidden files and folders. Select both. Now come back and refresh player. After refresh, this statuses folder automatically show. Now check this folder. Your friend's status is available.
दिल के इस घर में आके एक लड़की चुप
Now friends, you can keep this your WhatsApp status. But here is one problem, this folder automatically disappear after 24 hours. Now what you can do? Do one thing, rename this folder with any name. And this folder will be permanently present in this folder. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.